This is CJ with CJ's DIY channel, and today I'm going to do an update on this HYL CUT40 plasma cutter. I'm going to fire it up and do a little bit of cutting. I've got some C-channel here. This is the thickest metal that I have to try to cut, and so as you can see, I actually cut a piece out of it there, playing around with it one day. But anyway, we're gonna cut through that and just so I can show everybody how it's working, and go from there, because so far it seems to be a really great unit, especially for the price. Like I've mentioned during my unboxing of it, I paid under $300 for this thing, and for a 40 amp plasma cutter, in my opinion, it just can't be beat. I mean, the Chicago Electric Harbor Freight model is a 40 amp plasma cutter as well, but it's over $600. So for half the price of a Harbor Freight plasma cutter, I've got this one, and I just can't be more pleased with it so far. So okay, so as you can see here, as I'm cutting through the metal, occasionally I'll lift the torch up a little too high or a little too far away from the metal, and when you do that, it'll lose electrical contact, or the electrical circuit will be lost, and it makes the torch cut out. And so and then the other thing that I've struggled with as I was trying to cut down inside that C channel was that, I was moving my hand quite a bit. I couldn't find a comfortable position to rest my hand, and so the cut itself looks kind of bad, just from the sense that I was moving my hand a lot. But as far as the machine being able to cut through it, it cut through it with no problems. Okay, so as you can see there, it really had no problem cutting through that whatsoever. My unsteady hand was probably the bigger problem than anything else. Obviously, that's looks like a dog tried to chew through that. But as far as the machine cutting through it, I mean, there's no question. It's more than capable of cutting through it without any problems whatsoever. So like I said, this machine for the money has just been phenomenal. I mean, I can't say enough about it as far as how much I like it and how well it's performed so far. Now, granted, don't know how long it's going to last, but by all accounts, I don't have any reason to believe that it's not going to last a long time and be a good unit. It's not giving me any troubles whatsoever in the past couple of months. So I'll continue to try to update. I was planning on doing a 6-month review and then a year review, and just to kind of let everybody know how well it's doing. But so far, I mean, I can't complain at all. It will cut through anything that I'm going to throw at it, I'm sure. So that's that. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.